how to buy WEPE token on WEEX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by the token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click on box here. As you can see, you will be able to find the WEEX. Click on this pair. And you will be able to redirect you to your WEEX account. So if you don't have an account on WEEX, go down the description. You will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT, as you can see, you will be able to land to this page. So go here on this buy section here. Now click on the limit order and here type how much you want to buy over that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy WEPE. So if you select the market order, drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on WEPE, buy WEPE. So this is how to buy WEPE on WEEX. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.